Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and today I'm sharing an amazing way to smooth out frizzy hair with a DIY rice hair spa. Yes, rice water is known to do wonders for fragile and weak hair, and I have shared several ways to incorporate the goodness of rice in your everyday hair care routine. You can very well find the links to all those videos in the description box. But please do subscribe to my channel for more hair care videos. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly see how to make rice hair spa cream at home. The very first thing that we need is of course rice. Here I have chosen an unpolished and organically grown variety. Please do not go for basmati rice as it is artificially processed. A more natural and starchy variety is highly recommended. By the way, if you're facing any problems in choosing the right ingredients, you will find the links to all of them in the description box. So let's first wash the rice thoroughly with plain water. After washing, soak the rice in some fresh water. Please do not use too much water to soak the rice and kindly stick to the mentioned proportions only. Now comes a crucial step. Make sure that this rice is fermented for at least 12 hours. This is the minimum time required for the yeast to develop in the rice water. This yeast that develops in the process of fermentation is called pitera. I've spoken about pitera in my previous videos. Pitera has cell regeneration and renewal properties, which means that it helps with the formation of new hair and skin cells. And this is the exact reason why rice is extensively used in anti-aging skin creams and hair regrowth serums. I let this bowl of rice ferment for up to 24 hours and see how muddy the water has gotten. Properly fermented rice water has a peculiar smell. Not very overpowering, but slightly on the pungent side. Even the rice grains have swollen almost twice their original size, and this is how exactly we want it to be. The next step is to grind the fermented rice along with all its water. The fermented rice water has all the goodness, so we need to make full use of it. Grind the rice as fine as you possibly can. The finer, the better. After grinding, it is time to sieve it, only to get rid of the coarse residue. In fact, the residue can also be used as an excellent body polisher or exfoliator. So do not throw away the coarse residue. And here we have the 100% pure rice milk, and this has several usages in skin and hair care, guys, I tell you. But for now, for this video, we will only stick to hair care. The second ingredient here will help reverse the damages caused by excessive heat and chemical treatments. Coconut milk has a special protein that fortifies even extremely damaged hair. I usually use the Royal Thai coconut milk cream only because it is way more thick, but today this was the only coconut milk cream option I could find in my fridge, so I'm using it. As the next ingredient, I am giving you two options. Either you can go for aloe vera gel or try the flaxseed gel, whichever you like, but I strongly recommend flaxseed gel as it does wonders for hair, making it super smooth, frizz-free and much more straight looking. Guys, if you have been following my channel, you would know that I've already shared the way of making pure and organic flaxseed gel at home, so you can check out the video. It is linked in the description box. It's time to give all the ingredients a good stir. You can also use an electric hand blender for creamier and thicker consistency. For extra nourishment and salon-like post-spa shine, I'm using vitamin E capsules. Go for 3 or 4 or maybe 5 or 6 capsules depending on the dryness of your hair. I'm using 5 of them here because I have longer hair. Keep stirring till a creamy consistency comes through. This hair spa cream right now is little on the runnier side, so to set this, I would chill this in the fridge for 1 hour. You do not need to freeze it, but just chill it in the fridge. And after 1 hour, the rice spa cream has turned so thick, almost like yogurt. It makes me so hungry. This looks delicious, almost like flavored yogurt, but you do not need to eat it. Now let's see how to use this. Now before going for any hair spa treatments, you have to ensure that your hair is absolutely clean. Hair spa treatments can never be done on dirty and greasy hair. So for that I'm using fermented rice water shampoo by Haircare. I have tried this Haircare fermented rice water shampoo and conditioner range and found it very mild and gentle because it's free of sulfate and parabens, so you can also give it a try. Now on towel dried and clean hair, apply the rice hair spa cream generously section by section, focusing on the lengths and the hair tips because this is where our split ends and frizz begin. No need to apply this on the scalp. Guys, I tell you, this hair spa cream is so lightweight that the hair keeps absorbing it almost instantly. After application, massage the scalp and steam the hair. This is my favorite part. Steaming ensures proper and deep absorption of nutrients into the hair shaft. I have done a detailed video about how to correctly steam the hair in 3 easy ways. You can always check that video, you would find it useful. I'm sure it is linked in the description box. And after 30 minutes, when the hair is cooled after all that steaming, simply rinse with plain water. You do not need to shampoo the hair. You can go for this a DIY hair spa treatment at home once in 10 days maybe for best results, and you have to try this to see the results. You would love it, I'm sure. And please make sure that you share this video with that one friend who spends too much in salons for hair spa. Yes, go ahead and do that, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.